Gaulai. All your basic lessons are included in what ragam? What ragam did you
Maya
learn?
Mala.
Maya Malava Gaulai. So the first Geetam which you will be learning is based in the ragam called as Malahari. No, the first Geetam is based in what ragam?
Malahari.
Malahari. What ragam?
Malahari.
Malahari. Now there is something written, no, R-O, A-R-O, A-V-A. No, what is that? A-R-O, A-V-A. What is that? R-O, our-O. What is that? A-R-O, R-O, our-O.
Where, ma'am?
In on your Geetam, lesson number 6, Geetam is written. No.
Yeah.
Lesson number 6, what is given? Geetam is given. No.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Geetam
on
only.
your Geetam, what is uh, the just below that Geetam, Malahari, Ragam Malahari, there is something called as ARO, Aro, Avaro. No?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, what is that? And it is given Sare Ma Pa Da Sa Sa Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. What does that mean?
Means the upper one means
Upper one means I don't know. Huh? So lower, lower ones you know, upper ones you don't know, is it? Okay. Aro is Arohanam and Avarohanam. Every ragam will have Arohanam. The ascending order is called as Arohanam. Okay. Re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa is your Arohanam. Okay. Sa, ni, da, ba, ma, ga, re, sa. This is the Arohanam of what ragam?
Maya Malava.
Very good. Maya Malava Gaulai. So what is the difference between Maya Malava Gaulai and Malahari?
The sound of the raga will change.
The sound of the raga is different. What is the difference? There is some difference between Maya Malava Gaulai and Malahari. What is the difference?
It comes like it's a different raga which the from the Maya Malav Gaula. It's
You could not understand. All right. See, in the Arohanam, it has Sare and it is given re one, no? Sare ma pa da sa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sare ma pa